Hey everybody, Bill Owen from Mnpctech.com. How you doing? I'm in the shop on an early Monday morning doing a vlog. Normally I was doing the vlogs just for Facebook, but I thought I'd share it on the YouTube channel as well since it's been a while. And things are busy. You know, we've got school kicking in, so kids are updating their systems or building new systems, and it's keeping us busy. I'm busy right now doing a review of the new Fantex Evolve chassis. I should have this up in about a week. Really love it. You're gonna love it. The modularity that they've designed inside of this thing is really cool. This morning we listed the Corsair CNC machined replacement front plates. This is the one for the 750. We've also got a 350 version. We're looking into doing the 900D because I know so many of you have the 900D. And so I'm looking into that, but these are listed right now in the store at Mnpctech.com. And on Friday, I'm excited about this because we just got this sample in for another review. We're going to do an unboxing on my channel and do a full article review on the Zoo.com. And this is the first gaming tower to come from Supermicro. And those of you familiar with Supermicro know that they make exceptionally good products in the server realm and power supplies. This actually, I think, includes their power supply in it too. And tomorrow, October 14th at midnight, is your last chance to enter the giveaway that we're doing on the Zoo.com of the NZXT H440 and Sharkoon Sharkforce gaming mouse. Jeremy at the Zoo reviewed this mouse. You can find it in the listing of review articles. It's a great mouse for low price. We're including that along with the H440. Not this one because it's missing its side panel. I've actually got the one that's going to ship to the winner there. And there's going to be some Mnpctech new products, including a Darkside LED light strip. And what I'll do to save you the hassle of finding it, I'll post the link for the giveaway thread in the description of this video, so you can just go there, register if you're not a member already, and all you have to do to enter is just tell us what you would do if you got this chassis. What kind of system would you do in it? And why is that side panel off? I'm trying to remember. Oh, we are working on a replacement window for the H440 because those of you that haven't already know that it only comes with a clear stock window, and I've had people ask if we could do a light smoked and dark smoked version and maybe some transparent colors. And it's going to be tricky because we're actually going to have to CNC mill replacement because they've got this folded lip, and on the window, which is cast from polycarbonate, has a channel in it, so we can't laser cut them, we have to CNC mill them. So hopefully in the next, I don't know, maybe a couple weeks on the website we should have those listed, and I'll have an update. You know, if you follow me on Twitter or Facebook, I usually update everybody about that. And what else was I going to mention? What else is going on? Oh, the do-it-yourself PC water cooling series with the guys from the Zoo, Mosquito and Captain Curry Sauce. They're using this Fantex Pro full tower. And if you've caught the series, they show you how to do basic loop and different options for loops. Well, they're going to be doing a new video with a new product from Alpha Cool for hardlining. So they're going to show you all the steps in using that product. And why is this here, huh? That's not factory, is it? That's the new Zoo case badges that we're making at Mnpctech. This is a larger version, which, hey, fits right on the Fantex chassis out there. Chassis, I should say. And we've got a smaller version, and people are putting these wherever they want. You can put it on, I think Jesse's putting it on his motorcycle. So that's going on. And a while back, I was over at Greg's shop because he wanted one of the new Darkside LED light strips installed. And I've got footage of that next. And it demonstrates the fact that you can actually cut down the PCB board for the LED. So if you want to make a small one for, like, say, an ITX case or something you've made yourself, you can actually cut it down, and we're going to show you how we did that. So that's the video next, and I just want to thank everybody for supporting Mnpctech. And if you have any questions about PC modding, building, whatever related to PCs, you can go to the modzoo.com and just join and ask. And we've got our whole staff and all our friends there, and a huge community that's growing all the time. So feel free to ask and share your own projects. We like to see what you're doing, and then we'll share it on our fan page, you know, for everybody. So yeah, thanks everybody, and here's the product install video with Greg.
So we're going to look at where the window is so we can get the light where we want it. Basically right at the drive cages. So, in fact, it is odd when this window is on. If you look, you can see the back clip of the drive cages, which are white, which is somewhat annoying. I don't know why white was the idea for the drive cages, but so we're going to fit it all the way to the back then. And then we'll run the wire through the cage. The two self-adhesives they give you with it. Gotta leave enough room for the front panel in case. So it's tucked behind there, so you won't see the light coming out. But it's far enough down so when you slide the cover on, the clips won't hit it. Now we'll figure out how to run this wire through the other side. Plenty of cable. Go right to the fan controller. If I put a second one in there, it won't be a problem. Alright. Oh my gosh. See how they are with the tinted color.
Okay.
Cover.
Oh, put the side panel back on, and you determine if you need another one or not. See, now you can see all
Dust on the inside.
Yeah, the dust on the window.
Is it? Oh yeah. Well, you know, sometimes I gotta work on dusty stuff.
Well, yeah.
You know, it's the right location. It just would need one on the top, and I don't know if the light would get by the two Corsairs. You know,
Another option, you could. It's kind of long though. You could put it alongside the hard drive cages on the back side of it, so you don't see it, so it shines. It would be really bright in there.
So we cut off the end. We took 3 pieces off, which I have no idea where they went.
Run off into your. There it is.
There we go.
Okay.
Basically, just cut these 3 right off.
Yep. The silver points is where you can cut. If you cut like at the other sections that aren't silver, what's going to happen is when you cut it,
lights stop working.
That's exactly right. So only the silver portion you can cut them off. Well, then you got it. Okay.
Tuck it right behind the cage.
Hide it so no one can see it. No one knows where the light's coming from. Like it's magic. This is kind of the ideal setup. If you, oh shit, you just hit. It's not the best to be working on while your system's running. Right now, let's see the difference. Oh yeah. You gotta clean that window. There's dust on it.
What window? It's clean, see? Can't you see? So that's 5 volts, 7 volts, and 12 volts.
Well, there you go.
So for all you guys out there, if you take a Molex connector, you can actually take if you take the yellow wire and a black wire, you get 12 volts. If you take the red wire and a black wire, you get 5 volts. If you take the yellow wire and the red wire, you'll get 7 volts. So in theory, you could just do that using your Molex connector to 3-pin fan adapter. So if you think it's too bright, you can dim it down to 7 volts pretty easily. 5 is just not enough.
That's an old trick for the silent
Fan
PC
controllers,
enthusiasts. Yeah.
Yeah.
So what are you going to do for video in this then? As I noticed you don't have a video card in it.
Titan? No, it's a file server.
File server?
For a file server. Well, you got a big empty spot, so why not? I think I got a nice GTX 460 overclocked gigabyte with the WindForce fans.
Yeah, I can't. It's too dark to tell.
Too dark, yeah. It's time to turn the lights on.
Okay.
So we can hook this up to something now, and these 3 lights will light. So I'm going Molex to fan adapter, and 12 volts. It's got 2 leads coming out of the fan adapter, and this is the section I cut off.
That's great, isn't it? Definitely
So you can stick them anywhere.
flexible and modular. How cool is that?
So if you wanted to, you could cut the thing in half, connect 2 wires, and you could actually have it do L shape.
Yeah.
Whatever you want to do.
In the corner there.
Well, there you have it. We put the red LEDs in, and I like the way they turned out. We did have to cut some down, and it was pretty easy to cut down. You just videotape everything, don't you? The system's been it's been running for a while, and it's been real reliable. I like that it's dimmable, and
Hit the lights.
the what?
The lights.
Why are you going to videotape that, or are you going to videotape?
Hit the. Can you turn the lights up? You know where they are, right? Okay, he's gonna hit the lights.
We have to put big arrows. All of them.
There you go. Okay.
I like the way we can trim them down. There's 27 LEDs in a strip, and you can cut 3 intervals of 3 LEDs off to make the length you want. It was just a little too long for us, and so basically what we did is we removed 3 off this strip so they wouldn't extend beyond the cage itself. The brightnesses that they have, I mean, if you had a rheostat, you could actually dim them in many types of levels of light, you know, that you wanted, and they were easy to install. I like the fact that they used a 3-pin fan plug, so you could in fact plug them to the board and any fan header that you just happen to have empty. I hooked them to a fan controller so that I could change the brightness of them, and it worked out really well.
These lights are in stock at Mnpctech.com right now, and we do ship overseas. Just go to our website and scroll down to the bottom of the page, and on the left-hand lower corner, you'll see a link for placing international orders. Thanks everybody for watching, and we'll have another video soon.